watching her dad.
What are you guys called?
Albatross.
Ah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are Albatross. Quarterly updates from the captain. Mortimer Rattler in his prime. Come and go Chicago. Maybe soon next year. Was it ever better? Lunatics are bad. They recycle never. Parties right out there. Classified rations for the taking. Autograph photos for the spies. Terry cloth and patience. Edgar Allan Poe. Did you wear it better? Opposites attract. Fraction to the letter. Morgan Stanley stand. Pulverized hot dress metro scholar. Notified back when she was 4. Complicated man. Yonder once may fear. Was it ever better? Give us a time. Even beaver clever. Guess who's fighting back? Practice getting better. Smoking hell on crack. What comes after never? Story done track. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now it's smaller.
Pizza's good to see you.
Now it's moisturized.
Thanks, honey.
Bye, you guys. Bye, Shira. Good to see you.
Thank you, the Colin Goldbergs. Ladies and gentlemen, Colin Goldbergs. Thank you. CG's
We'll be
out.
back. We'll be back.
See you. Thank you. I'd like to thank the members of the audience for being here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Leaves us on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pulling on letters 4 nights a week. I broke it fast and stepped through class. How did I ever pass? Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Hope you're enjoying the Porch
We
Fest.
do have ice cream.
There's ice cream over there, I heard. It's $1, but sometimes it's free. Depending on who's selling it. Seltzer?
It's the bomb.
Lily, can you grab David a seltzer?
Yes, of course. What flavor?
Doesn't matter.
How far you made it?
Barely legal.
Oh, there's only one left.
barely. Yep.
Actually, no, there's two.
Standing in the sun.
No, I give it.
Thanks so much. Take a sip.
Yeah, there's one left. Or you can have Coke. It's American Coke, though. It has states on it.
Give me a sec. Okay.
Yeah,
Quick second.
like Arizona.
Quick break for the group here.
What do you want to do?
3 minutes.
Barely. Yep. Or do you want to do? Why don't we do? Do you want to go to? Do you want to go to Young Ones just to kind of call the crowd in, and then we'll do Big Country?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like a slow play.
Yeah.
Country's pop in and out.
Or do you want to? We could go
Let's
to,
Quake 3 shirt. That's awesome.
we could go to Big Country just because it kind of invites folks in, and then go to Young Ones. What do you think?
Big Country to Young Ones. Or?
Yeah,
I think that the three
fairly
like,
Big
in
Country.
order.
Young Ones. Perfect. Yeah. All right. Sweet.
Fancy. I know you want to play with them. Oh, come on.
Ready to rock it? So barely.
Oh. Hey, if you have a scrap, rope the cable through the scrap. Also.
One, two, three. Thanks for our adoring fans. We got Jessica. And Simon. All right, country.
You want to go inside?
Inside. I'm inside. Is there a country that you're in, right?
Yeah, it's fine. All right.
This one's called The Big Country.
The gift is brand new from the motorbike shop.
Ransacked, prime, 3-hour parking at 4:45. I am cold and tired, wanna come home again. Jordan, Clyde, I passed through Virginia on I-95. Cold and tired, wanna come home again. Your plate just like I said before. Mary's uncle's kid don't live here anymore. In a really big country. Yeah, I'm bigger than country. Yeah, I'm bigger than country. Footloose bars. Dad's in the woodshed. The jars. Cold and tired, wanna come home again. Bad news, so far you put a stake through my heart, put a stake in your car. Why do you sigh when you're 400 pounds again? Chicago's curse is running 4x4. Milton Friedman's kids are hitting up for more in a really big country. And I'm bigger than country. Man, I'm bigger than country. I don't care about no subway fare. He lost his nerve, it's probably the poor. Don't mean after I'm on O'Malley's floor in a really big country. And I'm bigger than country. And I'm bigger than country.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
How are we doing for time?
Yeah. 30. Well, a couple minutes to
5-minute break. Go to home stretch.
Do you have like a normal glass of water?
Of course, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah.
My hand keeps cramping.
Yeah.
Probably me drinking Miller Highlights.
Yeah.
Salt. You're gonna get gout.
I have to play like this. Where's your bike? Where's your shoe? I don't know if this is like great weather or if it's like too hot.
There's a breeze every once in a while. Yeah.
So mommy, we're closing. You're closing the store. Sounds great.
Buddy.
Okay, go put the
Free
popsicles
brownies.
away. Number 1, go put the popsicles.
Gold tray. They're the cone Goldberg.
We'll bring them back. Simon is now very engrossed in the puzzle box. I'm gonna usher him out for you.
That happens.
He went inside and found Emmeline. And then
There we go.
said Simon out.
All right. You got it.
Young ones, right?
Yep. Scoping them all out in the neighborhood and yeah.
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 We watched our neighbor is
Yeah.
Peter Miller, so they were playing.
Oh, Lisa, yeah,
Yeah.
who works at high school. Yep.
Yep.
Peter Place and yeah, it's awesome.
David and Simon went over to one on Winthrop
Nice.
and gonna wander down, and then Simon wants to go see one on Burgett. There's the
This-
kids
yeah.
playing.
Yeah. There's kids are playing in Britain.
Yes. Dylan the Sale and the Noets. Sophie.
Oh, Sophie and Company.
That's,
I might wander over there too. All right, we'll get Simon
I
first.
did not know this secret talent of yours, or well, secret to me.
It's top secret. I'm just glad we have a 10 from our neighbors. Both our neighbors. Alistair's gonna play a 3.
Nice.
If you're looking for another round of
Yeah. If you're looking for
if you like
Bad music.
If you like Van Halen.
yeah, if you like yeah.
That would be the most my husband.
Yeah.
We'll go get David. Alright, you guys ready to rock the Youngs?
Okay, yes.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once in every lifetime comes a love like this. Well, I need you need me. Oh my darling, can't you see we're the young ones? Darling, we're the young ones. Young ones shouldn't be afraid to live, love. There's a song to be sung, for we may not be the young ones very long. Oh my darling, can't you see we're the darling, we're the young ones. The young ones shouldn't be afraid. Live, love. There's a song to be sung. Cause we may not be the young ones. What's that? We may not be the young ones. We may not be the young ones very long. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Welcome to Larson. We'll make sure to keep it concussion friendly.
I'm playing with the cable.
Give me a shot. Okay. Alright, so just you good for now? Yeah, I think I'm into it. Been sitting here since 7th grade.
behind enemy lines. Hey Dad, I left my heart in San Francisco. There's a lot of fuckers there and fuckers there. Don't give me shit no more, I'm off welfare.
Down there, they have them.
Right,
Down
snows?
there, they have one right there. Yeah. There. Oh, that's why I see people. Yeah, they're all over today. Good. Yeah, so the kids made a little food stand to sell. Yeah,
I heard you cry, September snows, cobos don't come back. Takes are taken, constant disappointment after me again. Tumblers don't stop tumbling, and yesterday came early and reached my name. Constantine's and Constantine's running around. Holy rice, color, poor kids don't stop swinging. Push and pull and bottom pull, take my soul back. I can't stand rain. 4 more times we came here. Follow me by train. Motivate the more kid for mine. I've been stances holy, got the far even. Parking fines and party lines all around. When you cry, September snows, careful what we lose. Tumblers don't stop tumbling. Yesterday came early, bury my remains.
Couple more for you. Thanks everyone for coming. Left your job in the suburbs with your mushrooms and your child. Doesn't pretense wax familiar. Take your hand, I'll take mine. And discotheques are hard to protect. Come at Cupid and you. Liquor and drugs are kisses and hugs. I've been to roadhouses too. Dave's phone.
How's it looking?
All right. It's gonna live.
Yep.
All right. You can hit stop. Yeah. It's good.
You want me to?
Yeah, I don't. All right. It's our practice, you know. So we're gonna play one more song, and then we're gonna let everyone go in the shade, and then we'll play in a little while. Thanks everyone. Make sure also you stick around 3 o'clock. We're gonna hear from Alistair. Thanks to him for setting everything up and helping us out in a big way. One more, and then a little break for us. Al, you producing? It's a duet. Are you sure? All right. Oh no, yours is good on this part. Yeah. Big finish. Big finish for now.
These are our chairs. Okay, there's extra.
Thank you also to John and Lorraine for the tent rental. $35 an hour. No, just kidding. Thanks, guys. Keeping us somewhat shaded.
Oh, this is a rental. 100 feet.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your frisky up, grab a stick of juicy fruit. The taste is gonna move you. Take a sip, pull it out. The taste is gonna move you, you can pop it in your mouth. Juicy fruit is gonna move you. Feel soft, it gets right to you. Juicy fruit, taste is gonna move you. Thank you, everybody. That one's not an original. Also was not written by AI. Thanks, everybody. AI should have written. All right. Thanks, everyone. Break time. Thanks. I'm sorry. Thanks, guys. Hey, good to see you. Thanks for enjoying it. Sorry, you missed all the good stuff.
Thank you.
How are you? What time is it? It is Lindsay doing.
We'll play again at like maybe 2:15.
No way.
You guys can
Oh
see us.
my gosh. Yeah.
Bye guys, that was really fun.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
The husband and wife, he was playing for